Okay, great. Let's get on with the business of the day. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you had a great week. I hope you had a week of learning, and it's been an exciting week for myself as well. But very, very busy. Very, very, very busy week. But yeah, man. Busy is good. Busy is good. And busy with results is also good, and I'm happy that a lot of you are learning, and that means that it's results. So yeah, guys, how was your guys' week? Just let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Let me know how the week was for you guys. Just chat with me. I always say I prefer to have a relationship with the people that I teach. I'd love to know more about you. I don't want to just see names and there's no soul behind the names. You know what I mean? I love to engage with people. I love people to know me, and I'd love to know people as well, so I can know exactly who I'm talking to. So yeah, talk to me, guys. Tell me how your week was, what you have learned and how it has been so far, with what we are doing. Okay, today we are talking, as I'm continuing, please just type in the comment section and say yes. Had a good week, Isaac. Yes, that's good. Let's talk about introduction to how do I access the live. Is there a link or something? Let me just answer this person. Top right corner, you will see a join button. All right. Yes. Yeah. Let's just respond to these people to join quickly. On the demo. All right, I was just sending the message into the main group for those who haven't joined us, and they will try and join. I was brave and tried the live market and lost 12 rand. Come on, Deidre, relax. But I love the bravery. We do need bravery. So yeah. Okay, let's get on to the business of the day. All right. Introduction to Forex trading part 3. That's what we are talking about today. All right. Introduction to Forex trading part 3. All right. Let's go. Before I begin, guys, I'd love to give out a disclaimer that any opinion, news, research, prices, analysis, or other information discussed in this webinar or linked to this presentation is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. The market observations and insights provided are based on current data and trends and are for informational purposes only. They do not constitute financial advice, recommendation, or endorsement of any kind. Trading and investing involve inherent risk. You should consult with a licensed financial advisor to evaluate the suitability of any strategy, trading, or investment decision based on your individual financial situation. My name is Isaac Easy, and I'm a juristic rep of FSP 53590 under ATY Markets. All right. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get on to the business of the day. Someone says, every time I think I have figured the market due to reading the handlers, it throws me a curveball and goes the opposite direction. Don't worry, Magdalene. Don't worry, Magdalene. This is what we are here for and to help you with. By the time I am done with you, by the time I am done with all of you, you go into to know Forex like the palm of your hands. All right. By the time I am done with you guys, right? And as I usually say, there would be a bonus, 100% bonus if you are funding your trading account with ATY markets. I will let you know at the end of the session how to get it done. Okay. If you're going to fund, say maybe $100, you will get another $100. If you fund $5,000, you'll get another $5,000. So you get about $10,000 for you to trade with. All right. And I'll also send you guys a video of this session. Once we are done with the session, the video will be shared with you. All right. For those of you who are joining me for the first time today, my name is Isaac Easy. I'm a business management and entrepreneurship graduate, business principles and practices graduate, certified sales graduate. I'm a professional Forex trader with over 10 years of experience, and over the years, I've trained over 10,000 students. I am the founder of Flexi Forex Trading College, as well as co-founder of ATY Markets with my beloved brother, Pastor Ket. For most of you, you know Pastor Ket. And I've held over 300 Forex seminars throughout the Southern African region. This will include Botswana, this will include Namibia, and so forth. All right. And if you are here and you're from Namibia, you're from Botswana, we are coming, guys. If you're outside of South Africa, we are coming. ATY Markets to the world. All right. Today we are discussing the advantages of the Forex market. We're going to discuss trading sessions. We're going to discuss when to trade, when are the best times to trade in the context of the South African trader. We'll discuss some of the Forex terminology. I'll teach you more, guys, about leverage and also how to place your stop loss and your take profits. All right. And as we go in, as we are going throughout the session, please ask questions in the comment section as well, and then by the end of the session I will be able to answer you guys. Someone says, that's also my question. If I am on, then they tell market closed. I'm sorry, can you please just rephrase your question there? All right. The advantages of Forex trading, the advantages of the financial markets. What are the advantages of the financial markets? Number one is high liquidity. All right. In simple terms, is a high cash flow. There is a high influx of cash flow in the Forex. KG Miss K, you have been attending my sessions for the past 2 years. I just saw your name. KG Miss K, you've been attending I saw you. You thought you can hide. I saw you. Welcome. I'm great to see you. I believe the last time I saw you was when we were doing our webinars for Okta. I believe that was the last time I saw you. So I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. How's it going, Miss K? How's it going? Problem say is no solutions. Oh, Miss KG, you're the one I spoke to over the phone yesterday. Was it you? Oh, great. Komoto. Okay. No, now I remember. No, great. I didn't know that was you when I called. I'm happy to see you, right? If I'm trading on demo app, then they told me twice that the market is closed, then I must wait a while to trade again. Well, we'll check on that as to why is that, because the market has been open. It's only going to close today, unless depending on the instrument, because some instruments, it close between 11 p.m. and around 1 a.m. So if that was the time you were trading, then probably that's why. All right. So, as I said, the advantages of the Forex market is high liquidity. There is an influx of cash flow in the market. As I told you guys the other day, that the cash that circulates in the Forex market is about $7.5 trillion every single day. So there is just more than enough money for all of us. All right. So it's unlike other markets where there is lack of liquidity and there has to be some form of injection in terms of capital. Not with the Forex market. It is the largest trade financial markets in the world. It is the largest industry in the world, and with the highest liquidity ever than any other industry. All right. That's the first advantage of trading Forex. What does this mean for us? It means we never have not to worry about the unavailability of money. All right. The other best thing is that yes, it happened at 11. Yes, that's why. You know, things like recession, things like bad economies and all of it, they really do not affect us as retail traders. Why? Because whether the economy is doing bad or whether the economy is doing good, we can take advantage of that. So that means if you know what you are doing, you can take advantage of rising markets as well as falling markets. So things like bad economy, inflation, recession and all of that, they really do not affect you that much because you are able to take advantage and be profitable even in bad markets. Are we together? Are you guys with me? I just saw they just sent a signal right now in the VIP group. They just sent a signal, so I'm just going to take that signal right now. And let's see. Just taking a trade. All right. I'm sorry, I just have to take that trade. I believe it's a beautiful trade, so I don't want to miss out on it and not make money. You know, KG just sent a really lekker trade in there. So I just want to take advantage of that. All right, are you guys with me? What's going on now? Abundance right there. Absolutely abundance. Absolutely. All right. Number 2, the advantages of the financial market is time flexibility. Right. You know, I see First Lynn here has been saying that around 11 she was just looking at the market and so forth. That's the beautiful thing about the market. It's open 24 hours 5 days a week. 24 hours 5 days a week. There are markets that are opened on weekends as well, but that's not really the Forex market. That's what we call the synthetic markets, and that's really more options than it is about trading. All right. The financial market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So there's time flexibility. Whether you're working, whether you run a business, there is time for you that you can allocate to the market, even outside of your business or working hours, and you can be able to trade, maybe either early in the morning or maybe later in the evening. All right. Time flexibility. You can trade from anywhere. You don't have to be office bound anywhere in the world. One thing that I love about trading is that I travel a lot, right? I travel a lot. And from wherever I am, the moment I land at the airport, I was in Dubai not long ago. The moment I landed at the airport, I opened my charts. I'm sitting in profit. The other time I was in Bali, just sitting at the beach in Bali, relaxing, and I'm running in profit. And that's the beauty of the financial markets, is you get to trade from anywhere in the world. Just to share, a really nice experience I had in Bali. When I traveled to Bali, we did about a 5-hour hike to literally one of the tallest mountains, hills in in Asia, and I can tell you we're hiked above the skies. All right, one of you must remind me at the end of this session to send you a picture. We're literally, it's called a sunrise hike. You literally hike all the way up to the top of the mountain, but you go above the sky. So when you're at the top of the mountain, the sky is literally below you. You are above the sky. It's such a beautiful, beautiful scene, to see. And it was really, really just one of those beautiful moments. And then I'm there, and I'm sitting on my phone, I'm trading as well at the top of the mountain. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Beautiful, beautiful thing. One of you must remind me at the end of this session to send that picture so you can see such a beautiful sight, man. And I'm looking at the sun rising and so forth. So yeah, that was amazing. But that's what I'm saying. These are the advantages of Forex trading, is that there is time flexibility, time flexibility. You can trade from, all you need is internet connection and a smartphone. That's it. All right. Number 3 is volatility. The Forex market is quite volatile. And you'll notice now, for those of you who are following the news, and you see with the tariffs that Trump is imposing and so forth, other people are complaining, other people are excited. That's the volatility of the market. There's just so much going on. If you take advantage of that, you can find yourself making good, serious money. All right. And number 4 is various tradable instruments. All right. You get the freedom to choose, and there is variety in terms of the instruments that you can choose to trade. You are not limited. There's over thousands and thousands of instruments to trade. Unlike physical trading, where you're exchanging physical good for money, you are limited to stock, you are limited to cash. When it comes to trading, literally, you can choose. You can say, today I'm trading gold, tomorrow I'm trading silver, the other day I'm trading palladium, the other day I'm trading coffee, the other day I'm trading currencies, the other day I'm trading indices, and so forth. There's just various tradable instruments to choose from. And number 5 is zero or minimal commissions. All right. In trading, there's just minimal. The barrier to entry is so low. For some of you, you've tried, to enter into the market with like 200 rands, 500 rands, and you don't get charged to withdraw. You don't get charged to deposit. There's just a minimum. And if there's commissions, is basically spreads. If you're trading on the Squid Pro accounts, and then if you're trading on I believe I did teach you guys what spreads are. And if you're trading on the elite account, there's just zero spreads, but there's just a minimal commission. I believe it's about $5 for every lot. That's about maybe 5 cents for every 0.01, which is really just minimal commission. Can you trade 2 stuff at the same time? Absolutely. You can trade. This trade that we are in, literally just made good money. We are sitting at the trade that I just took. This is the beauty of trading, guys. We are sitting at almost 700 rands right now. We just passed 700. So we're going for 1,000 rands right now, with the trade that we just took. Literally less than 5 minutes ago. This is the beauty of trading, guys. I'm busy teaching you guys, and in the background, I am making money. Isn't that what everyone would love? This is the holy grail, So yes, so yes, as I said, zero minimal commission. To answer your question first, Lenny, you can trade even more than 10 instruments at the same time. That's the beauty. You are not limited. The only thing that it's limiting you, she says she wants to see. We just took a sell on gold right now that was sent in the group. It's going up and down, so we're hoping, very, very soon we should cross that 1,000 rand mark. And then, yeah, man, let's see. But you see the beauty of trading. That's what you want to do. You want to be busy, fulfilling purpose and, doing things you are passionate about. But at the background, you are making money. You know, that's the beauty of the financial markets. That's what we look out for. I'll keep you guys updated on this trade as well. We literally, if it's in the VIP group, all you have to do is fund your trading account, and then you get into the VIP group, and then you take those signals and make money alongside us. All right, leverage. I don't know if I told you guys about leverage. Yes, I did. I remember in the first session I did teach you guys about leverage. That's the advantage of the Forex market, is that you don't need huge capitals. All right. I explained about leverage that it's like if your $1 is like, if you're trading on a 1:500, your $1 is like equivalent to about $500,000 if you're trading on a 1:5. So you are able to access bigger markets, but with small capital. Does that make sense? And then free practice or demo comes, which is what we are doing right now. So you don't have to risk money before you know exactly what you're doing. The beautiful thing is that as you are learning, you are also just getting experience in the real market, but also you're experiencing the real market, but you're also learning and getting experience, but you're not risking money at the same time. That's the beauty of the Forex market. All right. So yeah, guys, is there any questions? Is there any advantages that you would love to add? All right. All right. So as we are busy learning there, we are making money as well. As we are busy learning, we're doing introduction to Forex trading today, but money is also made while we are busy learning, All right. Any question, guys, before we move on to the next slide? Any questions? Any question, guys, before we move on? Any mentorship in the offer? Mentorship is available, but it's paid mentorship. So if you'd love to be part of that group, do reach out to me. Do reach out to me, and then we can help you with that. All right. Yeah, the one where it's just the group, it's only signals only. All right. When to trade the Forex market. When can you trade the Forex market? Other than weekends, there are just 2 public holidays where the market is closed. The market is only closed on Christmas and New Year's Day. So all the other public holidays, the markets are open. Right? Other than weekends and Christmas and New Year, the market is always open. All right. Opening and closing times are based on local business hours, with the most business hours starting somewhere between 7 and 9 a.m. local time. All right. Local time. But as I said, it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And there's just different markets that are open in the Asian, the Sydney, what else? The New York and the London. All right. Those are the London sessions we're going to get into. The Forex market opening and closing hours will change in March, April, and October and November as countries move to daylight savings. Japan does not observe daylight savings. Let me not confuse you with that one. You will learn more as you get to understand the market. Sometimes the opening times of the stock exchanges or the different financial markets, it can either go up by an hour or go below by an hour, but I'll explain that in more details as you guys get to learn. All right, let me not confuse you that much. All right, It's important to trade when at least 2 sessions are open because the market tends to be volatile at that time. All right. You want to be trading when the market is volatile and not just ranging. All right. You want to be trading when at least 2 sessions are open. The best trading sessions to trade for us, especially in the context of South Africa, is the London as well as the New York Stock Exchange. And when they overlap, those are the best times. So this will be, when the New York Stock Exchange opens and it opens while the London session is opened, best time to trade, all right, especially if you are in South Africa. But I'm not saying the other sessions are not best. They are also best. It's just there's just too much volatility because the New York Stock Exchange is the largest stock exchange in the world and more money is moved during the New York Stock Exchange. But that doesn't mean you can't make money in the other sessions, all right? How to join your Signal groups? All you have to do is register your trading account with ATY Markets, fund it, and then send a proof of funded account, and then you can join the Signal chat for free. All right. When to trade the Forex market, we do understand. All right. Forex terminology. All right. Forex terminology. All right. So these are some of the things that you will hear a lot of in the Forex market. You'll hear a lot about things like to go long. What does it mean to go long? Whenever I'm teaching you or we are taking a trade and I say I'm going long on gold, that means I am buying gold. When we say long in trading, it means to buy. When we say short in trading, it means sell. Take a screenshot of this, right? Take a screenshot of this so you can familiarize yourself with this Forex terminology or Forex jargon. I believe I did teach you guys about the bullish market and the bearish market. Who remembers the bearish and the bullish market? Who remembers where it comes from? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Who remembers what it means to be bullish and where it comes from, the bullish and the bearish? Where does it come from? Let me know. But when we say we have a bullish market, it means that's a market that is moving in an upward direction, or that is a is that you talking about the real body? No. The body is when we're talking about the candlesticks, but now we're talking about the overall market. When we say we are going long, it means we are buying. All right, we're not talking about the size of the body. No, it just means we are longing the market, which means we are buying the market or that particular instrument. To go short, it means we are selling the market. We are shorting the market, right? It just means to sell, and long, it means to buy. It has nothing to do with the size of the candlesticks or the body. All right. I know I did teach about the long bodies of the candlesticks and the short bodies of the candlesticks. This is a different long and short. All right, guys, I'm asking you guys to see if you guys are should I KG? No, you can't answer. You've been hearing this many times. All right. You've been hearing this many times. Bulls fight from the bottom up and bears fight from the top down. Exactly. Well done, D. Well done, D. Well done, D. Yeah, so when you say the market is bullish, it means the market is going from bottom going up. It's going in an upward direction. And when we say the market is bearish, it's fighting from top down. That means it's moving in a downward direction, all right? And we understand that bulls are buyers and bears are sellers. When we say the bulls are strong, it means the buyers are strong. Or when we say the bears are weak, we mean the sellers are weak, all right? What is a ranging market? A ranging market is a market that is either moving upwards or downwards. It means it's a market that is moving sideways, all right? So the market moves in 3 directions. It moves up, it moves down, and then it moves sideways. So the market that is moving upwards, it's a bear market. It's a bull market. The market that is moving downwards, it's a bear market. And the market that is moving sideways, it's a ranging market. Does that make sense? Write it in the comment section. Bear market, down, bull market, up, ranging market, sideways. All right. Write it in the comment section. Ranging market is a consolidation. Yes, that's correct. Guys, I'm waiting for you. Yes, there we go. Bullish market up, bearish market down, ranging market sideways. All right. Trending market. When we say trending market, is that it's a market that is moving in a specific direction. When we say the market is trending, it means it's moving in either going up or down. All right. Right. Let's leave the hawkish and the dovish for now. All right. We'll leave that for now, and then I'll help you. When you understand the market and you familiarize yourself with the market, you will start knowing what that means. All right. Currency nicknames. All right. USD, greenback, GBP, cable, NZD, Kiwi, the Australian dollar, OC, the CAD, the Lumi, oil. It's called black gold. Oil is one of my favorite pairs to trade, guys. One of my favorite instruments to trade is oil. We call it black gold. All right. Black gold. Are you guys with me? Can we move on? Oh my God. Lot sizes. Did we discuss lot sizes? Deirdre, Magdalene, remind me if we spoke about lot size. Yes, we did. In our first session. We did. Okay. I'm going to leave this one for now. If you are not familiar with lot sizes, I believe in the first session I explained it in more detail in the first session. Go watch the first video and then you can take it from there so we can save a bit of time. All right. We'll keep that. Leverage, we spoke about it. All right. Take profit and stop loss. All right. What is take profit? Most of you always hear us talking about take profit and stop loss and so forth. All right. Take profit, a TP, is an order sent to your broker to automatically close an open position in profit at your preferred price. It halts any further advance in profit and guarantees a specific profit after a level has been hit. So, for instance, let's say you are buying gold. You're buying gold at 3,100, and you say you want to take your profits at 3,150 price. You can set an automatic order that if gold hits that price, and you are not on your phone, on your laptop, the market should close automatically for you in profits. Does that make sense? So I'm buying at a particular price and I want to take profit. I want the market to close at a particular price automatically without me intervening. All right. So that's what we mean when we say set your take profit. Are we good? Set your take profit. That's what it means. All right. Are we good on take profit? We understand it? All right. What is a stop loss? A stop loss is the opposite of take profit. What it means is that literally you take a trade and you say, Isaac, I'm buying gold at 30,100. I mean, no, not 30,000, 3,100. And if I am wrong in my speculation, I'm only willing to lose this much. So if price of gold drops to $3,050, I'm willing to take my losses there. then you set your stop loss at 3,050. So if the market goes down and you were buying and the market reaches $3,050, your trades will close automatically. What does that do? It protects you from losing more money. All right. It's part of risk management. It protects you from it protects you from losing more money. All right. Does that make sense when it comes to stop loss and take profit? Why do you need TP and SL? This is just, again, Forex jargon. That's why I make my biggest mistakes, and it costs me dearly not putting SL due to fear of missing out. Sometimes the market tends just that after. Magdalene, a lot of traders fall into that trap of thinking that I believe I was having a conversation. I don't know if she is here. I saw her the other days. Nita, are you here, Nita? Nita is not here. All right. I was having a same conversation with her. So a lot of people, they have this idea that they don't want to put stop losses just in case the market hits their stop loss. Now, what I want to tell you and what I want you to start deciding, Magdalene, is what's more important, losing small money or losing your whole account? Because remember, your number one priority as a trader, and write this down in the comment section, your number one priority as a financial market analyst and trader is to preserve your capital, not to make money. Making money is secondary. The first thing we do is to protect our money. So the number one priority of a trader is capital protection. Write it down in the comment section. And I want you to remember this. And when you remember, is think of my face very angry. The next time you don't want to put a stop loss, just think of my face very, very angry. All right. Very, 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 very angry. I'm going to send you a picture of what you must picture every time you don't want to set a stop loss. All right. I'm sending you the picture. This is what I want you to see. Every time you don't set a stop loss, that's what I want you to see. All right. That's what I want you to see. Capital protection. All right. Every time you blow your account because you didn't put a stop loss, I want you to see this picture. This is how I feel about you. All right. This is how I feel about you. Manage and preserve your trading capital is priority number 1, 100%. 100%. So the next time you don't put your stop loss, that's how I'm looking at you. This is how I'm looking at you. Always put your stop loss. You'd rather the market hit your stop loss, goes into profit, than not set a stop loss and the market goes down and, just demolishes your trading account. Because if the market hits your stop loss, you have a better chance of coming back again and recovering. Are we together? You promise me, Magdalene, you promise me you're going to put stop loss. You promise me you're going to put stop loss. Do you promise? You promise? I need you guys to promise me. Yes. Okay, great. So stop loss orders are implemented to ensure that losses won't grow big. All right. Take profit orders are implemented to ensure that you make profit from trades should the market reverse. Why should you do you get that setting? Where do you find it? We will help you first, Lynn. Don't worry. I will show you guys on how to set your TP and how to set your stop losses. Okay. We will get into that teaching. Cool. So even when we are sending signals, you will see there's a place to put your stop loss. There's a place to put your take profit. And I think what I will do will also just do, I'll record a video like I always do just to show you setting stop loss and setting TP, and I'll send it to you guys. All right. Okay. Are we good? We understand why we have. So how many of you have never said take profit? The market went up. Actually, it just happened today. The market didn't reach my TP and then it reversed. The trade that we took earlier, The market went into nice profits, and there was no TP. And what you see, these are true life lessons. These are real life examples. The market went into massive profits, and now it's back in losses again. Do you see that? Because there was no TP. If I had a TP and it said maybe at 1,000 rands I want to get out, the market would have closed automatically, give me profits, and then when it reversed, I would have had my profits. But because I hadn't set a TP, it's literally shooting yourself in the foot. I saw the money, but I didn't take it. But it's not a big deal. We will make it back again. All right. It's because I also took it while I was busy with you guys. All right. I was busy with you guys. All right. So I'm currently sitting in a heavy loss. Not that heavy. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Yeah. Oh my God. I don't want to show you guys. That's going to scare you. That's going to scare you. All right. So we understand why we have to put TP, and I'm glad this happened right now. You see, I'm becoming a screenshot trader now, and I'm always against screenshot. This is why when you guys said I must show you this trades, this is why, I blame you guys for making me take a screenshot. Because when you take screenshots, you don't take money. When you take screenshots, you don't take profits. Write in the comment section and say, if you take screenshots, you don't take profits. If you take screenshots, you don't take profits. Tepo, you didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that, Tepo. You didn't have to do that. But at least now you can see the importance that it happened right now, right in front of you. You guys see that right in front of you. It happened. And now you will know why you always have to set your take profit and your stop losses. We good? Are we good on that? All right. All right. All right. Setting stop losses and take profits. Okay. Let's quickly go open, log into the demo account. Log in so we can Soma. Let's Soma do it now. Okay. Where's that demo account? The demo account. Let me just find the login details of the demo account, okay? Just find the details of the demo account. There we go. 514-315. Okay, I'm just logging into the demo account, and then we're going to do real life practice of how to set your stop loss and your take profits.
Incoming mail.
What's going on now? I'm just opening the demo account, all right, guys? Just give me 1 minute, one more minute. All right, and then we go into what is going on? For some reason, I can't move my MetaTrader into the new screen, to the other screen. Just give me 1 second. Close Windows. Okay, there we go. Come on. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna have to close this. Let's close that and open it again. Are we still good, guys? Are we still good? I love quality of your signals, impressed value for my money. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to hear that. So happy to hear that. Okay, there we go. Oh my God. It's so draining. Okay. Can you guys see MetaTrader now? I'm so sorry. I don't know why this is taking. I think guys, is if we are being honest, I'm not very good with technology, right? Just want to put it out there. I'm using a Mac. I'm not really good with navigating this thing. I'm used to Windows. I'm old. Okay, I'm a grown man. So these April things, they are so good. They are troublesome. But okay, guys. So now what we're going to do is we are going to practice setting stop loss and take profits. All right. So what you want to do is whether on your phone or on your laptop, you want to let's do that. Control T. All right. So you'll have the instrument that you're trading. In this instance, we are trading gold, and then you're going to put in the lot size here. I hear you, Isaac, say, yeah, no, these things are too much. Too much. Just give me people. Let me speak to people. Let me teach people and dispense knowledge. These things of technology is too much for me. I can't. All right, you're going to select the lot size that you're using here. I'll go 0.45 because I'm agent 45. All right, for those of you who've been following me for a long time, you'll know what that means. And then let's say we are selling gold. So you press the sell button. All right, and then it will say accept these terms and conditions. You say yes, and then you sell. Now, there are different ways of setting stop loss and take profits. Did it not? Okay, there we go. There are different ways of setting stop loss and take profits. One of the ways is going when you are opening the trade. So you'll say new order. All right. Then you'll say, what price are we on? 32.28. Let's do 32. So you'll see the symbol you're trading, the type of execution. On the other session, I'm going to teach you this type of execution. There's market execution. There's also pending orders. I'm going to teach you guys on that. All right. The volume is the lot size. We'll do 1.45. All right. Put it there. And then stop loss, you'll set your stop loss there. Let's say our stop loss is going to be 32.50. All right. We'll say 32.50. That's how you set your stop loss. And then your take profit, let's say our take profit is 3,200. All right. 32.00. All right. Then that's your stop loss, that's your take profit, and then you sell the market. There you go. You see now it shows you that the stop loss is there. Then it shows you how much you will lose on your stop loss. Your take profit will show you how much you will make. So with this trade, if it was on a real account, if I am right in what I'm saying, I will make 25,159.27. But if I lose, I will lose about 18,256. Do you see that? That's how one of the ways to set a stop loss. Another way is by when you've opened a trade, you just drag the trade there, and then you just drag it to where you want the take profit to be. You see, as you're dragging it, it's also showing you where, let's just drag it there, put it there. All right, that's my TP for the first trade. You can see then it shows me if the market falls up to there, we'll make about 47,869.47 cents. And then similar thing with a stop loss, I can just take it over there. You see, then it shows me I will lose how much? 17,000. So we're going to close one trade now, just so we only have one running and we don't lose too much. Actually, let me just close both. But before I do that, another way of how to set your stop loss and take profit, it shows you here at the bottom, all right, at your toolbox. Your toolbox appears at the bottom there, right? You see it will show you the type of order, the time you took it, the volume, the price, where you entered, and then it says SL as TP. What you can do is just double click there. It will open this, and then you can modify. So I can change my stop loss to 32.50, right? And then you say modify position. You see that it has modified my position. Same thing with TP as well. You can just double click there, and then we'll show you 32, and then we'll say, let's say 31, and then modify. Then you see the TP moves all the way there, and then now you're making about 111,000. All right. Is there a way to do this on a smartphone? Absolutely. I'm going to record a video on my phone to show you how to do it on your phone, but it's literally the same process. It's the same thing, just looks slightly different. All right. Are you guys with me? Oh, our trade is already in profit. Let's just close that now. Right? We close that, then we close that. All right. We all understand. All right. Yes, on your MT5, you are able to see that, Magdalene. You are able to see that. All right. So you see how to set your stop loss and how to set your take profit. Are we guys good? We're good? We're good? We're good? All right. Do we have any questions? Do we have any questions? Okay, great. And again, guys, just a reminder for those of you that have slightly an idea of what trading is, and you are able to open and close trades, and you'd love to be part of our free signals, you are ready to make real money, please just fund your trading account with ATY Market. Send me a proof of funded account, and then we'll aid you in the trading signals, where you get 2 gold signals daily and about 4 currency signals daily. All right. All you have to do is register and fund your ATY Markets to qualify. All right. Trade smart and take advantage of expert advice, and let us make money together. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's session. I'm super happy that you guys were with me today. I'm going to cook up a firestorm for next week as well, as you know how it goes. And again, I will keep on asking. I'm upset with many of you from Tuesday's session. I'm upset with many of you from Tuesday. Only about 2 or 3 people gave me review of today's session. That hurts me. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart that after we've done such an exceptional job in teaching, you guys don't give me review of how you have you've done, how the experience was for you. I appreciate it. Helps me, guys, to know what to do better. It helps me on what else one should do, in terms of making sure that you guys leave these sessions with more knowledge and more insight than you did when you came in. So I'd really appreciate if you guys can give me a review of today's session. Again, tell me what you've learned and what you would love to learn more, and just how the overall experience was for you. That's all I need to know. And again, secondly, I said, if you do know people that are interested in trading, please give them the link of this group and let them come in, let them come and learn. For many of you, firstly, I'm seeing you for the third time. KG, you've been with me for over 2 years now, I'm sure. Magdalene, I've seen you before, bring in more people. Deirdre, I remember you, Monray, I've seen you around. So please, I really, really appreciate those, those reviews. Please, all right. Please do send me those reviews and then let me know what else to do better. All right. I really appreciate you guys so much. I'll wait for those reviews and I'll see you again next week. Have a brilliant, wonderful weekend, guys. I love you guys so much, and may the good Lord bless you. All right, that's it from me, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.